Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Land Cruiser V8 versus 2.8. We'll explore their key differences, focusing on performance, efficiency, and suitability for various driving needs. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which engine best fits your lifestyle, whether you prioritize raw power or economical daily driving. Let's dive into the specifics of each option. The V8 engine is a powerhouse, delivering robust performance ideal for demanding tasks. With over 300 horsepower, it provides impressive acceleration and effortless highway cruising. If you frequently tow large trailers or boats, its towing capacity, often exceeding 7,000 pounds, makes it the clear choice. This engine truly shines when maximum power is a priority. For those prioritizing economy, the 2.8-liter engine is a smart option. It offers significantly better fuel efficiency, often around 25% more economical than the V8. This translates to fewer stops at the pump and a longer driving range. Its smaller size also typically leads to lower maintenance costs, making it a more practical choice for everyday commuting. Both the V8 and 2.8-liter Land Cruisers maintain their legendary off-road prowess, tackling challenging terrains with ease. For daily city driving and general practicality, the 2.8-liter often feels more nimble and manageable. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you value raw power and towing or fuel efficiency and everyday convenience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.